Hello, welcome back to Nicole Chinese Mandarin. Last video we mentioned about the verb 想, and one of the meaning of 想 is want to do something. Today we are going to learn 要. 要 also has meaning of want. Check out other meanings of 想 and 要. Apart from want, 要 also has meaning of need to do something. 想 has meaning of think and miss. This actually already tells the difference between 想 and 要. When we say I want to do something, if we use 想, means I want to, but this is just a thinking. I'm thinking about I want to do something. But 我要 do something, that means I really want to do the thing. I have this requirement. I need to do this. So 我想去旅行 means you wish to do this. You wish to travel. 我要去旅行 has meaning of I have to do this. I can't stop doing this. I can't stop thinking about doing this. Which means when you use the meaning of want, 要 is stronger than 想. You have a stronger need. Another example. 我想吃冰淇淋。我要吃冰淇淋。我想吃 maybe I just think about.It's alright if I couldn't get one. But 我要吃 is like I'm really eager to do this. I have a stronger desire to do this. 要 also has meaning of will do something. In this case, 要 has same meaning as 会, but also slightly different. Example, 我明天会学德语. The thing will happen tomorrow.我明天要学德语 also means the thing will happen tomorrow. Slightly different is the thing will happen tomorrow because I have this requirement. I have to do this. Maybe because I have tasks. I have to do this tomorrow. But 我明天会 I don't have any tasks. I just learn it by myself. Last meaning of 要 is ask for something. Generally be used when ordering things, food, drinks.Let's see an example when ordering food in a Chinese restaurant. 我要一碗米饭，一个宫保鸡丁，一个白灼芥蓝。我要一碗米饭 a bowl of rice. 一个宫保鸡丁，宫保鸡丁 the name of this dish. 一个白灼芥蓝，白灼芥蓝the name of this dish. If you want to learn more information about how to order stuff in Chinese, please check them out in this video. Next video, we will mention about the verb related to eat. Okay, I will see you soon. Bye-bye.